Okay. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Okay. So last week, I bit this week, our last class, we learned how to use trade Meta 5, how to place trades. So you guys should know how to place trades. And you know that this is trading view. And what you are seeing on my screen are candlesticks. Okay. So previously we studied market structure. I started our technical analysis full in. We started market structure and we said there are three types of market structure, which are the bullish market, the bearish market, and the ranging market. And we said that when the market is bullish, the market is in an uptrend and we are looking to buy. We are looking for buy opportunities. When the market is bearish, the market is in a downtrend and we are looking to sell. Okay? And when the market is ranging, when the market is consolidating, we do not trade. Do you guys remember? You guys remember when we discussed about market structure? Do you remember? If you remember, let me know in the comments. Okay, good. So today, remember when I introduced our topic, our strategy? I said we are learning how to trade smart money concepts, and there are different things that we should look out for when it comes to smart money concept. So the first thing I said that day was that you should understand how to read the market structure. We already understand how to read the market structure, how to know the market structure, if it's going in an uptrend, in a downtrend, or if it's consolidating. Now, after that, when trading smart money, you have to look for the most recent break of structure. So today, what we are going to be learning is break of structure. Break of structure, let me type it out so you know what I mean. Break, BREAK OF Break of structure. Then anytime you see maybe on my chart you see BOS, it's just a short form of break of structure. So this is what we are going to be doing today. We are going to be learning break of structure and how to map it out on the chart. So when we say break of structure, what do we mean? Break of structure occurs when price breaks through a significant level in the chart. It could be a support or a resistance or a key level. When price breaks through a key level on the chart, it is called a break of structure. And we have break of structure in an uptrend. We also have break of structures in a downtrend. Then when the market is breaking structures in an uptrend and suddenly starts going down to the downtrend, we have a change of character. And I know that you will not, all this thing I'm saying now is jargons because you cannot understand it except to place it on the chart. So now, where is that nonsense part? Okay. Remember when we say when the market is going up, it's creating higher highs. When the market is bullish, it's creating higher highs and higher lows. Higher high. Oh God, this thing should just work. I don't have strength this evening for this part. I don't know what's doing this part. Why can't I draw? Um, supposed to be good. It's creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So now, from here, it created a higher high, then it gave us a low. It came down, it retraced down, giving us a higher low. Then it cleared this level. Market cleared this level. Let me use rectangle now. It cleared this level here, and pushed up. Then it retraced down again, giving us another low. So this level that it cleared, it is a key level. This level that it cleared, I want to remove that rectangle, it is a key level which market broke. This is a key level which market retraced, then broke it to the upside. Market normally, based on our strategy, if we have a key level like this, we map it out. Where's my gun box? We map it out. Yeah. We expect that when market taps into this level, we will have a sell. It will tap into the level and it will keep selling. This is a key level where we expect that if market taps here, it will just drop. But market came to this level and cleared it. It will now move to the upside, giving us a break or structure. Text BOS. You write it out as break or structure. After market gave us this break or structure, it moved to the upside. It retraced again. Market retraced. After retracing, market did not tap. When the market created the break or structure, it now presented for us an origin, which is this level. Normal, we expect market to come back to this origin and take a buy and start buying. But what did market do? Market retraced a bit and went up, clearing this level that is here, giving us another break or structure. After giving us another break or structure, it created for us another origin. Market presented to us another origin, which is this level. When you hear origin means a consolidation that occurs after a break or structure. That is the meaning of origin. It is the last consolidation that occurs after an impulsive movement that breaks a structure. This is an impulsive movement. This movement to the upside, as market just move like this, up, it is an impulsive movement. that broke this key level that is here. After giving us this impulsive movement, market created another key level. It retraced and still cleared that level. Normal, based on our strategy, it's supposed to come to this level and give us a sell. But it cleared it, presenting to us another break or structure. I know that you guys still don't understand, so I'm going to still talk about it. So now I want you guys to understand something here. When trading, there's something called demand and supply. As a forex trader, you look out for demand zones or supply zones. They are key levels. Okay? They are key levels. Now, wait. This level now, what happened here? We had a break of structure because market cleared this level. BOS. We have a break of structure because market cleared this level. Okay? So based on our strategy, we expect that price is going to come back to us, to our level, and keep buying. It's going to come back to our level. God have mercy with me and this part too. It's expected that market is going to come back to this our level and start buying. And this our level is regarded as a demand zone. Do you understand? Martin does not want to buy. It's regarded as a demand zone. A demand zone is an area in the chart where institutional traders look to take their buy entries from. So when market is creating break of structures to the upside, try you annotating on my chart. Hmm? When market is creating break of structures to the upside, it's presenting for us origins, which are demand zone, which are areas that we're looking to buy from. Okay, let's remove this. Just know that if you hear demand zone, it's just an area that we're looking to take our entry from. Remember that I said we don't just enter the charts and decide I want to start buying. There's a reason for everything in the chart. There's a reason for market moving in a particular direction. You understand me? So we can decide a demand zone or a supply zone is demand zone is an area in the chart where you're looking to buy from. A supply zone is an area in the chart where you're looking to sell from. It is also regarded as key levels. So let's okay. But people should not mind my drawing. No, me and drawings were not friends. You see this level now. Based on our strategy, we expect price to come back. We expect price to come back to tap into that level and sell, but price did not tap into it. It just continued going down. We expect price to come back to that level. So this level now is a supply zone. So when price breaks this level, a key level, is presenting to us a break of structure. Do you understand me? Wait, does any of you even understand me? Abi people are lost. Let me know if I should go over it again. Does anybody understand? Creates for us a break of structure when it clears a level. You're lost. Okay. Let's start again. We are learning break of structure, and we are starting with market breaking structures to an uptrend in an uptrend. Remember when we said when market is bullish, it's creating higher highs, higher lows. As it's creating all these higher highs, nah, and this thing should behave itself. The fuck? As market is moving like this, yeah, market is breaking structures. This is a break of structure. Price has broken through a significant level in the chart. This level now is a significant level which price cleared, creating a break of structure. Price cleared this level in the chart, creating another break of structure. Price cleared this level. Price did not come here and start selling. It came and continued moving up, creating for us another break of structure. Price cleared this level in the chart, creating for us another break of structure. Okay, let's use a live chart so that let me see if people understand that way. Now this is this chart. Look at here. This area, what is happening here? I want to hear it in the comment section. What is happening here? What is happening there? What are you seeing? The people should be replying fast, fast. What are you seeing? It was inside this rectangle. What is market doing here? What's price doing here? What are you seeing? Nobody. Are you people even? You guys should reply now. Let me know. If you don't know, say I don't know. No, we learned it before. Here, market is ranging. It's just what you did in the previous class. Here, market is ranging. Okay. So now, after this range, there was a breakout of this level. Okay. Price came and cleared this level, creating for us a break of structure. Because price cleared this level here, this level, it is expected that if price taps into this level, it's going to sell. It's going to start selling because it is a supply zone. It's going to start selling. But price came and cleared it, creating for us a break of structure. And this is the origin of this break of structure, the consolidation. Okay. After this break of structure, price kept moving up. It kept moving up. Oh. Then we see a small pullback. After this pullback, it went back up again, clearing this level, creating for us a tiny break of structure. Let's go down to lower time frame so you guys can see it. Oh. This is the origin, this is the break of structure. The market kept moving, then it pulled back small, then it kept moving up, creating another break of structure. As you can even see, as we came down to the lower time frame sef, it is clearer. Price kept moving, no, it kept moving. It pulled back small from this level now. It kept moving, no, it pulled back small. It started consolidating. After consolidating, it broke out. It broke out. It was an impulsive move. Do you understand? And what happened? This origin, after this break of structure, as you can see, price came back and tapped into it. That is how it is. Price is always supposed to come back to your origin. Price came back to this origin and continued buying, creating for us another break of structure to the upside. This is another break of structure. What happened? Price moved up again. It came back, it retraced. There was a minor pullback and it moved up again, creating for us another break of structure. Let me expand my chart. So as you can see, price is moving to the upside, it's breaking structures to the upside. After the pullback and the break of structure, you can see from here, there was another pullback and price cleared it, giving us another break of structure here at this level. When price got to this level, it came back, it retraced again before creating an impulsive move. It came back, it retraced again. So there's also a tiny break of structure present here. It kept moving to the upside. It retraced again. It moved, giving us another break of structure. After giving us this break of structure, it cleared it a bit. There's a small retracement before price moves again. As far as there's a retracement and price comes back to clear that retracement, we have another break of structure. Do you understand me? So price is just breaking structures and higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Basically what I was drawing. Do you understand? When the market is moving to the upside, creating structures like this, it is breaking structures to the upside. There's Any of you understand? Like, do you guys understand anything that I even said so far? Yes, you just you even got it that time. It's ringing. I'm just seeing your comment. Do you guys understand the whole concept of break or structure? Hmm. Gift, he said yes. Hmm. So this Zoom call will end in the next 8 minutes. And because people came late, one of you is going to drop a Zoom link for the next class. I'm not going to do that again. One of you is going to do it. If not me, I'll go and sleep. Let's use another chart that is clear. Um, Mention any currency pair in the comments that we should look at. Mention any currency pair. Any pair at all we should look at. I'm waiting. Oh. Said Euro USD. This is Euro USD chart. Okay. Let's go to the daily time frame. Ah, where are they? Okay. Okay. Now I want to teach you guys something here. When you open the chart like this, I want to start reading structures. You do not necessarily have business with ancient things. Like now, as you can see, this is Tuesday, June 2025. You're not looking, you don't need to start reading from June. You don't need to start reading from April. Your business is to read the recent structures. Everything happening, you can just, and everything happening from here, okay, is what you're supposed to read. So now looking at this chart, the first thing I can see was that market gave a break of structure here to the downside, okay, and this is the origin that caused the break of structure, meaning that if price gets to this level, we're expecting it to sell. After that break of structure, because it is in a bearish trend, there was another break of structure to the downside. You understand? Now, when market is in a bearish, is in a downtrend, it goes like this. Like this. Ah, so it is breaking structures to the downside. Breaking structures to the downside. Breaking structures to the downside. And that is what we can clearly see here. There was a break of structure at this level. After that, price broke, moved, retraced up, then came back and cleared this level, giving us another break of structure. Then from here to here is another break of structure to the downside. But now, this market, you would not, if I look at this chart, you will not tell me that this chart is bearish. Reason is because market came, and cleared. Let's use the rectangle now. Market is expected to come here to all these levels. These are supply zones. These are origins. This is the origin of this vehicle structure. You can see that market came back and tapped into it and sold. This origin of this vehicle structure now. Market came back, it tapped into it and sold. What we're expecting now is that market will still come back, tap into this level and sell again. But what happened? Market came to this level, it reacted to it a bit and cleared it. It came back, reacted to it a bit and cleared the level to the upside, giving us a change of character. So from here to here, we have a change of character. Now, when you hear change of character, it is change or CHANGE of OF character CHARACTER change of character. The short form is just CHOCH. So anytime you see a chart and you see change CHOCH, just know that it is a change of character. It means that market was breaking structure in a particular direction, then change direction. Change of character just means market change direction, clearing the origin of a break or structure. More. Well, I don't know if you guys understand me, but it's going to take a while before you guys can get this. After creating a change of character, what happened here? Market, okay, what happened here? Market moved to the upside, retraced a bit, did not come back to this level, oh. Did not come back to this level, they just retraced a bit and kept going up, and that means it started breaking structures to the upside. Now let me just explain this with the charts, with this our drawing thing for. Okay, let me see if people understand. Somebody should get ready to share a Zoom link for, because that's how we are going to continue. Now let me we are using the downtrend, right? Okay. Market is moving down. It's moving down like this. It's still moving down. Breaking structures to the downside. It's still moving down. It's still moving down. Breaking structures to the downside. Then all of a sudden, the market came and cleared this level. This is the last origin of a breakout structure. All this, market is breaking structures to the downside. BOS. Market is breaking structures to the downside. Market is breaking structures to the downside. Market is breaking structures to the downside. This is the last origin that caused a break of structure. Because market did not come back and retrace, market came and cleared this origin. Obviously, sometimes market is supposed to, because it is breaking structures to the downside, so we expect that we'll just have a small retracement and to keep moving down. But because it came and cleared this level, it gave us a change of character. A change of character means when market changes in trend, changes